Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy chili. It's a very short video. Let's get to it. I have been craving chili for the longest time, and I wanted to make it at home from scratch, and I'm going to show you how it went. I'm going to start by prepping my veggies. Here I am chopping a medium yellow onion. I add peppers to my chili. This is how I like it, but you don't have to if you don't like peppers. On top of my sweet peppers, I also have some, what is this pepper called again, y'all? Jalapeno, that's what. I removed the seed and I chopped the jalapeno into smaller pieces. And next, I chop my garlic. In a large pot, I'm going to add some oil. Add my meat and break it apart and brown it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying my videos. Once my meat has browned, I'm going to drain the extra fat that's in the pot. Next, I will add my peppers and onion. I will cook them until they're soft. The sweet peppers, again, are personal preference. You do not have to add them if you don't like peppers. Once my veggies are soft, I will add my spices and cook them for 5 minutes, and I will add my diced tomatoes. Now it's time to add my beef broth. Next, I add my beans. And I'm going to bring this to a boil and simmer for up to 3 hours. And as well as adjust the seasoning for taste. Here's my chili. It has been cooking for about an hour. It was packed with flavor. Automatically, when I think of beans and I need rice with it, so I ate mine with a little bit of rice, and I really enjoyed it. My family really enjoyed it as well. And I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying my content.